Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some new outdoor lighting. What we have to review today is the Lumary brand outdoor smart lights. Now these are a spotlight style LED light. They are completely waterproof, so you can put them in your yard and not have to worry about the water or snow or anything else you might have. Obviously, you do want to probably keep them clean from snow so they can continue to light up. These come as a 6-pack at 56 feet. We're gonna unbox this, set this up outside to get it ready for the holidays. Let's take a look at what you get inside. Packaged very nicely here. Let's take a look at what we have. Comes with a remote. So this is going to change the dimmer, the mode, the colors on the bulbs, make them all unique to one another if you need to. We have the stakes to go into the ground. Comes with 6 of those, obviously, for 6 bulbs in here. And we have the 56 feet of cable. Now this does plug in with a standard power adapter. This is going to go into where I have a electrical outlet outside. So if you do not have one of those outside, you might have to run a extension cable going outside, because that's where you're most likely going to set these up at. I'm going to get these all unboxed and unraveled and show you what all it comes with. Now with the amount of lights we have, they're going to run probably about every 10 feet as far as the cable goes in between each lighting fixture. I'll show you what they look like here. They rotate forward and back, and you're going to attach your stake right to the bottom hole here. So they're going to go right into the ground. You aim them where you want. Either aim them into your courtyard or sidewalk, wherever you may want them to illuminate. You have options there. I'm going to probably put mine around the garden perimeter and just aim outward into the yard, just to make things a little bit more bright out there and give it a nice little Halloween atmosphere, because I am going to set these up for the holidays. Might even have them go all the way through Christmas. So as far as the stakes go, it's a very simplistic design. You do have the one threaded side that you're going to put through the hole, and then you just tighten the stake on the other side. I have the stake put in. I have the threaded part all tightened, and we are ready to stick this into the ground outside. Let's go. All right, so I got the lights all put in around the perimeter of my garden here. You can see I do have some solar lights, but those ones just aren't cutting it. I went with the wired route, and it's connected right above here to an extension cable I had. So with this set of lights, you can power it on with the cable itself. There's a press button, or you can use the remote it comes with. Now you do need 2 AAA batteries, but let's go ahead and just power these on here. Right away you can see they illuminate. I want to focus in on this one here just because it's front and center. I'm going to change through a couple different color modes: red, green, blue, a nice white, and a clear white. There is a few different variety of modes here. I'm going to toggle through those. Nice little flicker effect. Strobe effect. I believe there's about 44 different modes you can toggle through. I'm not going to show them all to you, but you get the idea. And we will wait until later tonight to see these in the darker setting, see how well they work at nighttime, because that's when we're going to feature our lights the best. One other thing to mention with these lights is you can connect them to an app with the Lumary application on Apple or Android, and that can allow you to control it from your phone, your Alexa, or a Google device. Alright, so we got the lights on outside, and as you can see, it has a cool strobing effect on right now. Lights up the yard, pretty nice. It's not pitch black outside, but dark enough that you get the idea here. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up a set of these lights for yourselves, take a look at the description below. That's where I will have it linked. And if you like the video, I appreciate you hitting the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.